Yo, what's up, guys? There's a new update in Animal Company. Well, let's see if there's anything new that we can look at that is for this or maybe something. I'm guessing we go in there like for the new map and stuff. Any new items? Nothing. Oh, and they dropped a new RPG. It's called the Egg Launcher. An explosion, kinda. Like, let's get a Grobbler in case there's like monsters. Oh, what? Okay. Oh, what the? Oh. Oh, I can't. Oh, I can't. I can't shoot my grappler. Oh, I don't like this place. Oh, wait. I'm going upwards. It's like an only up. Wait. We'll do a part 2 on this. Wait, what the? This is actually kinda sick. It's like an only up. Wait, this is actually sick. It's like an only up map. Just a second, my dog's over here. Get over here, you biggie. Get upstairs. Upstairs! Okay, I got her upstairs. No, no, no! Oh, Jesus. I'm scared, guys. Didn't even know that was a thing. No, no.
We were so close.
We had grub. a grappler, this would be way too easy. No, no. Okay, we're just gonna do part 2. I'm just. Yo guys, welcome to part 2, and we're back to the same place. Obviously. No, I jumped like. Shotguns don't help nothing. I thought it would like heat me back up in the air. So like a final boss at the end or something. Just sort of range diff. Yeah, my shotgun. Come on. Oh. Just a second. Just a second, guys. I need to go do. Oh, what's up, guys? We're on part 5 right now. Holy wait, this is sick. Wait, this is something. This is something, guys. The other level that. Oh, Kobe Bryant! This is shark. That's a shark. Is that a UFO? That's a UFO. Guys, I'm being very serious right now. That's why I'm not really that tough. When I'm doing only up, I'm a serious boy. Where do I jump now? Do I jump over there? I don't jump. Wait, do I jump over there? Pretty sure I jump over there. Wait. I'm a Gorilla Tag YouTuber. Bruh. Nah, bruh. I did all that. Oh, wait. Bruh. I'm a Gorilla Tag YouTuber, bruh. Oh my god. That's a little bit sad. Okay, I'm gonna skip this part. I don't like this part.